everyone. Well, we're in Bend, Oregon, and we just left Keith's house. We stayed there last night with Megan and Keith, and now we're going to meet up with my buddy Johnny, one of my best high school friends. I've actually stayed at his house a couple times during the week here in Bend. We'll do some fishing, and then after that, next week, we're gonna meet up with Zach, and we're gonna head into Canada to the Canadian borders. This is a throwback series, posted once every Thursday on the Untold Stories in the Taj Mahal.
I appreciate it, man.
What is with this sign? No vehicles. It's even got my truck. I don't like it. No cafe racers, no Jeep Willys, no Cadillac Eldorado, and no Dodge Mahal. We can park. We gotta stay put. We can't move.
Well, we're out here at the river, and Johnny's doing some fishing. It's a beautiful spot. Check it out. Water's freaking rushing out over here, and it's rushing down. Where is it? Oh, right there. Rushing down. And there's all these fish, and Johnny's trying to catch them.
It's gonna help you net a fish if you get it.
Haha.
She'll like bite at it.
Dude, that is so cool. She's totally waiting calmly. She's like in it as much as he is.
Jimmy, this is what I was doing
You know?
last time. I was like, I kept stripping,
Wow.
and just sending it, you know, sending it. And
Sending it.
Fucking when I was in my back, like way out there, right where the bobber's at, and to the left, I was getting a lot of action last time.
Oh, I see your indicator now.
Yeah.
Dogs are just like trained for fishing, and they just chill right behind. It's so cool. Like this dog over here, this lab, just waiting for her owner to get a fish. So cool. Kahana just waiting for the fishies.
Yeah, I might need help on this one. It's a pretty decent sized rainbow too. I'll get it. Sweet. It's a landed fish.
Nice, dude.
Huh? Oop.
Oh yeah, beautiful trophy.
Hey,
Release. Oh, bolted off.
good girl.
Dude, very nice, man. Yeah. Woo.
Loves fly fishing as much as I do. I swear.
Dang, we just got done fishing. We got a roast. We're gonna put this roast. Oh yeah, we're at 350. Jack Daniel's tender sirloin roast. Let that wait about 25 to 30 minutes. Oh yeah. Wow, this roast was absolutely amazing. We've eaten like half of it already. So easy to cook. Love it.
This is another way you can use the hammock mount.
Coda girl.
Cowboy coffee, man.
Cowboy coffee.
we're warming up the Dodge Mahal and heading out. I didn't film like much at all on this trip, other than the fishing. And am I a little bit bummed out about that because I don't have the footage? Yeah, but at the same time, I just had such a good time hanging out with these guys and getting to know everybody, and I just didn't want to stick the camera in their face, you know? So I've been doing a lot of evaluating on how I want to move forward with the channel, because I don't want to film everything. It's not as genuine. It's not, and I'm not saying me. I think I don't have any issues with it. I can just stick the camera. I mean, I'm a little bit different on camera than off. Not much though. And people who've met me can attest to that. It's really not much different. But I'm super comfortable with it now, and other people aren't. And to get to know them and who they truly are, you can't necessarily have a camera in front of their face. So anyways, I'm gonna develop a lot more on this thought, and I wanna do, you know, with that said, I wanna do videos that are even more in-depth about people and telling their story. So anyways, we're heading out here. I'm so excited. I feel so grateful to have friends in other states, and Bend, Oregon is like home to me after like a week or two, and that's really cool. So right now we're cruising out with Zach, aka PNW Overlander on Instagram, and we are headed to a lake. We didn't know where we were gonna camp tonight. We just looked at Google Maps for like 5 minutes and found a sweet spot off of a lake. I'm pretty confident like it's gonna be a sweet spot. I've never seen a lake with this many trails going on the beach, so it's pretty gnarly. You can barely see in front. Slam that. Oh my gosh. All right, heading on in. We got a nice tight forest trail. About to smush this kayak through this tree. Hey, glad to have you along for another episode. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss next Thursday when we jam these full-size Dodge Cummins through the trees and find an epic spot by the lake. If you thought this was a cool video, hit that thumbs up, turn that big old thumb blue, and of course drop a comment below and let me know why. But the most important question is, are you down to mob? See you next time.